Welcome to Knowledge Share channel. In this video, we will be discussing about problem to find what will be the area of cross section of an aluminum wire if the value of resistance is known to us. So this problem, in previous videos, we would have discussed a problem with, for example, how to find the value of resistance for given area. Okay. So in this video we will be finding, for example, this is the real-time video where we want to find, for example, in most of the practical cases, the value of resistance has to be fixed and the area has to be changed according to the resistance value. So here we will be calculating in this problem what will be the area if the value of resistance is known to us. Okay. So for that we will be considering an aluminum wire. So for that we will be considering an aluminum wire. So the aluminum wire, what will be the area, for example, the value of resistance we want to find. Okay. So let us go into the problem. So in this problem you can see that an aluminum wire of about 400 meters long has a resistance of 0.25 ohms. Okay. So here the problem given is, this is the question, an aluminum wire of 400 meters long, it has a resistance of just 0.25 ohms and we want to find its area of cross section. So thus we want to find the area of cross section if the wire is of, for example, specific resistance of aluminum is given as 2.83 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter respectively. So for aluminum, the resistivity, if you just check the data sheet, it will be 2.83 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter is what the resistivity of the aluminum in the data sheet. So if it is not given in the problem, we have to check the data sheet book and we have to find. Okay. So here, if you understand the question, it is nothing but the length of the aluminum is given as, aluminum wire is given as 400 meters and its resistance has been given. Okay, and we want to find what is the area of cross section that is required, and the specific resistance is given as 2.83 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter from the data sheet. So again I will just repeat. So I want to find the area of cross section of the wire. So what are the given data? These three data has been given. That is the resistance is 0.25 ohm, the length is 400 meter and the resistivity of the aluminum is 2.83 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter. So as you all know the formula, in the previous video we have discussed the formula, and you can see that in the formula, from the formula you can see that that is R equal to rho L by A. This is the formula. What is R? R is nothing but the resistance, rho is nothing but the specific resistance, L is nothing but the length, and A is nothing but the area. So here you just substitute the known parameters in this formula and you want to find what is the unknown parameter. Is it right? So rho is nothing but specific resistance, L is nothing but the length, and A is nothing but the area. So here you can see that after substituting, so you can see that what is R? R is given as 0.25 ohms, rho is nothing but 2.83 into 10 power minus 8, L is nothing but 400, is that right? So it is a 400 meter length wire, and A is the parameter which I want to find, which I have marked it over here. So here we want to find what is the area. So 2.8, so 0.25 equal to 2.83 to 10 power minus 8 into 400 divided by A. So you can just interchange these two. Okay, so this 0.25 can be brought to the denominator and A can be brought to the unknown side on the left hand side, and we can find what is the value of area that is required in order to achieve the resistance of 0.25. So by just substituting it, you can see that so area of cross section of the aluminum wire will be 2.83 into 10 power minus 8 into 400 divided by 0.25. So after substituting it, you can see that the value is 4.528 into 10 power minus 5 square meter. So finally, in order to change it to square centimeter, it is 0.4528 square centimeter. So in terms of square meter, it is 4.5 to 4.528 into 10 power minus 5 square meter. If I convert it into square centimeter, it is nothing but 0.4528 square centimeter, because square centimeter, it is 10 power minus 4 you want to do, and finally 1 10 power minus 1 will be there, so I just want to do it into 0.4528. So in this problem, finally we have come to a conclusion of how to find the area of cross section for the given value of resistance. Okay, so the parameters will be given, like the length of the wire will be given, the specific resistance you can find from the data sheet, and if the resistance is known, so directly you can find the area of cross section of the wire, and from this area we can design, okay, our resistance, because we can design the physical model of the aluminum wire such that it is meeting that particular resistance value. So this is how the area of cross section of the wire can be calculated if the resistance value is known to us. Okay, so really I'm sure this video will be very useful for you, because this type of problems would have been asked in many of the GATE question papers, as well many of the university question papers. So if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up to this video. As well, if you have any doubts, you can just comment, and if you feel that this video will be useful to someone, you can just share this video, and you can just subscribe to my channel if you really like the videos which I post in this channel. So thank you very much for your support. Thank you.